The first branch of physics is the most boring one and the only one that you can observe by yourself. It says that objects will move if you kick them, and that if you punch somebody they will punch you back with the same force. No matter how ugly you are, you still attract the entire universe towards yourself with a force inversely proportional to the distance. Next we have electromagnetism. Thanks to it, your phone works. Also thanks to it the universe can exist. It describes how electric and magnetic fields, which are in fact the same thing, work. Briefly it can be summarized as electrons and photons doing weird stuff. Then we have thermodynamics, which tries to explain why you shouldn't jump in lava. It also says that entropy tends to get higher, which will result in an inevitable death of the entire universe, called the heat death. We also have fluid dynamics, an excruciatingly hard way of determining how aerodynamic a cow can be. Chaos theory tries to describe how your life would have been if you hadn't said that really stupid thing to your crush back then. We also have optics, which pretty much studies how light behaves when it passes through glass. The next big pillar of physics is relativity. Relatively speaking, there is this dude, one stone, who comes and says that light's speed is constant. And then people asked, well, what if I run faster than that? And one stone said, you can't because you're fat. I'm not fat, you reeky ill-breeding maggot. Your mass is not zero, so you are. Bitch. Also, Newton, your physics is shit. Gravity is not a force, it is the curvature of space-time itself. Next we have quantum mechanics. A weird field with zombie cats, infinite versions of you, and the core of Rick and Morty. The standard model says that there are at least 13 types of particles. First we have fermions, 6 types of quarks and 6 types of leptons. Then we have 4 types of gauge bosons, and 1 scalar boson. Gluons obviously make glue. Photons make photon cannons. Electrons make electricity. The muon is basically electrons overweight.